Welcome to our deep dive into understanding commodity hedging. This video is designed for anyone involved in supply chain management, procurement, or financial risk management, particularly those dealing with raw materials. We'll explore why hedging is crucial in volatile markets, how it protects your business from price swings, and how our new tool can help you analyze and improve your hedging strategies. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to mitigate risks and secure your future profitability. At its core, commodity hedging is a strategy used to reduce the risk of adverse price movements of a commodity. It's like taking out an insurance policy against future price fluctuations. Consider a car battery manufacturer. They need lithium, a key commodity. If lithium prices suddenly spike, their production costs could skyrocket, eroding profits. To avoid this, they might enter into a hedging contract to lock in a future price for lithium. But simply hedging isn't enough. Effective hedging is key. An effective hedge truly offsets your exposure to price changes, minimizing unexpected costs and maximizing stability. One common tool for effective hedging is futures contracts. These are agreements to buy or sell a commodity at a predetermined price on a specific future date. They allow businesses to gain price certainty. To help you manage your hedging strategies, we've developed a powerful calculator. This tool analyzes your past and projected spot and futures price data to give you a comprehensive view of your hedge effectiveness. First, let's look at past effectiveness, or retrospective analysis. This section tells you how well your hedge has performed historically. The dollar offset ratio measures how well your futures contract's gains or losses offset the gains or losses in the spot item. Ideally, you want a ratio close to -100%, meaning your hedge perfectly countered the spot price movement. An acceptable range is typically between -80% and -125%. Next, the correlation coefficient. This shows the relationship between spot and futures price movements. A value close to -1 indicates a strong inverse relationship. As one goes up, the other goes down, which is exactly what you want for an effective hedge. Finally, R-squared. This indicates how much of the spot price's volatility was explained by the futures price's volatility. A value over 0.8 or 80% is considered highly effective, meaning the futures market did a good job of mirroring and thus offsetting the spot market's movements. Now let's talk about future effectiveness, or prospective simulation. This section uses a Monte Carlo simulation to forecast a range of potential future outcomes for your hedging strategy. The heart of this simulation lies in the volatility assumption you select. This choice is critical as it shapes the forecast of how your hedge might perform under various market conditions. The first option is to use historical futures volatility. This models the actual observed volatility of futures prices, which can be quite high from month to month. This is a purely statistical approach, reflecting past market behavior. The second option assumes futures volatility equals spot volatility. This models the theory of market convergence, assuming the futures price at month end will be as stable as the spot average it's tracking. This is more of an economic approach, based on market principles. With these assumptions, our calculator provides two key metrics for future effectiveness. First, the simulated dollar offset range. This provides a probable range for the dollar offset ratio in the future, based on a 90% confidence level. It gives you a realistic expectation of your hedge performance. Second, the probability of success. This is a positive value, from 0% to 100%, showing the likelihood of achieving an effective hedge. It measures how often the simulated dollar offset ratio falls within that successful -80% to -125% range. In conclusion, effective commodity hedging is vital for managing risk and ensuring profitability in volatile markets. Our hedge effectiveness calculator empowers you with both retrospective analysis, understanding past performance with dollar offset ratio, correlation coefficient, and R-squared, and prospective simulation, forecasting future outcomes based on chosen volatility assumptions. By leveraging these insights, you can refine your hedging strategies, make more informed decisions, and ultimately protect your business from the unpredictable swings of commodity prices.